I'm going to explain how crude oil works. So, basically, when crude oil is collected, it is heated up and then it evaporates. So it enters this fractional column, and the column, it enters as a vapor. The fractioning column is really hot at the bottom. It gets less hot as it goes up. So it's the larger hydrocarbons with the higher boiling points turn back into liquids closer to the bottom. These liquids are bitumen, heavy fuel, and lubricating oil. And then at the high temperatures, the smaller hydrocarbons stay as gases. So these gases rise up, and then they will, they will condense at different levels. At the top of the column, there are hydrocarbons with low boiling points at 70 degrees that have still not condensed. They'll just come out as gases. And that is how the fractioning column works.